Okay, can you guys hear me now? Okay, we're on the right one now. We're on the right one. I knew I was like messing up somewhere. My bad, guys. My bad. I was on the wrong freaking stream. My bad. What is up? What is up? What is up? So let me let people know that the stream, the correct stream to get on. Okay. All right. Okay, we should be good now, y'all. What is up? What is up? Okay, here we go. What is up, family? Okay, my bad. My bad. My bad. My bad. Here we go. Back like I never left. All right, so let's look at AJ because AJ's dropping nice. All right. Okay. Let's go to my settings. All right. First of all, I fixed the soundboard. So now I can make this mad interactive today. Okay? Mad interactive today because now I'm soundboard Ryan. I'm not fire hair Ryan. I'm not sword Ryan. Now I'm soundboard Ryan. Okay? So, you feel me? Now I got all the gimmicks coming out, all the ad-libs coming out. I hope y'all ready. It's about to get serious today. I hope y'all ready. What's up, Wild? What's up? Hey, listen, Mel, you already know let's go. Look, you already know the vibes, my guy. You already know. You already know. Let's go. All right. Mel said up 20%. Look, Mel said he's up 20% from today's New York session. Stop playing with us. We did not come to play. We did not come to play. No. Melvis is up today. Listen, we're not taking L's, okay? We're not doing it. Fernando, my guy, what's up, bro? All right, so literally, I'm going to show you guys some of the trades we took earlier today. Valentina, what's up? Valentina's back from months. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. She's back. She's back. She said I'm here. She said I'm here. Ricky, what's up, bro? Wow, what's up? Okay, so all right, so let's go over some trades from this New York session that we went over. We traded live together as per usual, and I'm gonna show you guys my trade setups as per usual. Okay, look, we did a sell on Nas today. Easy sell, boom. Got in here. Well, yeah, got in here, boom, done. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay, like wasn't nothing too crazy. But anywhere from like 40 to 80 points, nothing too crazy. Okay. We also got an AU sell. This was before that spike up, right, roughly around right here-ish. Wasn't anything too crazy either. This was only, 15 pips move, nothing too crazy. But both were winners today, as per usual. And if you want to trade live with us in the morning, all you got to do is come to TTA Elite. That's it. It's that simple. Description in below. In the below. I said in the description in the. That's a description. Link in the description below. See, I can't even get the words out because I'm too happy. But like honestly, we really have been doing well overall, guys. I would say our sessions and signals have been fire. And I want you guys to just understand something, okay? I'm not trying to brag. I'm not trying to be like, oh, yeah, no, we have the best signals. We have the best sessions. Ha, 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 ha. No, I don't really care about that. I just want you guys to understand something. Because a lot of you guys have been with me for a very long time. And, the reason why all my sessions and signals and everything, they're now crystallized and come together so flawlessly is because your boy never quit. One thing about me is I do not quit. Okay? I have an unrelenting will to succeed, and I don't accept failure. I don't care how long it takes. Okay? And I put in work every day for this. And if you truly want this, right, you have to be willing to put in the work every day, no matter what, no matter if you win, no matter if you blow an account, you withdraw, you want to trade, you don't want to trade, you have to constantly put in the work. There's just no way around it. You have to put in the work. Now, luckily for y'all, you don't have to put in 5, 6, 7, 8 years like I did. You can easily hop on board in TTA Elite, learn from us, trade with us live, get the signals, do all that cool stuff, and cut your learning curve by tenfold. Okay? So you can not only learn, but you'll make money with us while you're learning. So I do not see how that is not a good situation for anyone who's serious about trading. Okay, and as you guys know, we've done a bunch of different things. We have VIP, we have boot camps, we did a whole bunch of other things to kind of feel the temperature of what you guys needed. And this is the kind of blueprint that we wanted to do moving forward, guys, is just having live sessions. And again, they're going to mainly be in New York starting out. Eventually, we're going to have at least maybe one London session a week, but it's just going to be basically mainly New York session. Okay. We do teach during Asian. Sometimes there might be Asian live trading, but that is not the standard. Does that make sense, guys? So don't expect Asian live trading every week, but there will be certain instances where we will trade Asian live. Right, and there will be, we're trying to get some type of system where we have London trade, at least one London session a week for you guys. All right, but New York is going to be the main session. There will be at least one London coming up. We're trying to figure how we're going to work that in. And then, possibly Asian live trade sessions as well in the mix. On top of the trainings and stuff that we're doing, the master classes that we're doing, the course, the videos that we have in the course that we're constantly uploading and building for you guys, the Q&A sessions, the study hall sessions, all that type of stuff, guys, that you're getting every week. Okay, so you get a full curriculum every week. All right, there's not going to be a week where you don't have things to do or stuff to watch or sessions to come to. It's just about you showing up. Okay, you showing up. All right, and I just want to get that across to you guys, right? I don't think that there's too many traders that can do what we do at TTA. I think, everyone can show a strategy, but how many people can trade live with their students every day? And that's no shots at nobody. Okay, I don't care about the competition, but I'm just saying.
Stop the cap.
Okay, I'm just saying.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap. Stop the cap.
I'm just saying. Okay, all right. Your strategy is cool. It's real cool, but let me see you do it in real time. That's all I'm saying. So we do that on the consistent, on the regular, and I think that's what separates us. That's what separates us from most other systems, right? Or other I don't know, companies. Let's just say that, right? So there are a lot of great ways to trade, but implementing, I think, in real time is probably the best way to learn, guys. Right? Anyone can tell you like, oh yeah, let's trade Nas, let's sell Nas. I'll teach you the strategy, but then you actually committing and doing that strategy in real time is very different. Am I lying, guys? In the chat, am I lying? Isn't it very different selling Nas here in real time than, oh yeah, you could have sold here, easy sell? Like, am I lying? Let me see. GG Scott, anybody? What's up, Nene? What's up? Right? But I want you guys to understand that, it's very different to actually go through the emotions, because trading is a roller coaster of emotions. It's actually being able to master your emotions. That's what trading actually boils down to. Can you master your emotions? And I think us as human beings, we're very emotional. So it's hard for us to master the emotions when it comes to trading, right? You have to become very stoic as far as when it comes to trading. You have to be very structured, very diligent, almost like a robot, and try to eliminate as many feelings that you have towards the market as much as you can. And once you start to do that, you're going to see results, right? But there's no way you're going to 100% eliminate emotions out the market. And that's why strategies are cool, but showing you how to implement them in real time, that's the key. That's going to show you how to do it. Because I'll be honest, guys, I've had a lot of different places that I've learned from in my career, and some were really good and great. But the biggest thing was trying to implement it in real time. Okay? That was the hardest part. Trying to do it in real time. So I got a great strategy, but dag, I can't even implement it because I have so many things that I'm trying to work through as myself as a trader. Right? So again, I'm just giving you guys the opportunity to actually learn in real time with us on our New York sessions. And we're going to slowly build and try to offer more for you guys, offer more Asian sessions and London sessions as we grow. And hopefully you guys want to be a part of that as well. So appreciate all my TTA elite who's with us and everyone who's been a part of just TTA in general. I really appreciate you guys. So let's get to the charts, okay? So we got this NASL today. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. And then we're not going to look at NAS anymore longer because, it's Asian session and, it's kind of just in this wedge pattern here. Let me go to a different I don't want this. Oh, well, if you guys remember, this was my markup on NAS. If you guys remember this wedge. Do you guys remember the wedge? Look. And it did happen, but it was like, look, it actually went up higher. Look at this. If you guys remember yesterday, this was my markup on NAS. It said it's going to wedge up and drop, and look at that. Jeez. How did you know that, Ron? I don't know. I kind of trade. I don't know. But, yeah. So, it is dropping. I think it is going to continue down for some time. And then hopefully maybe New York session we can buy it if it comes around to this level. That'd be a super nice buy. But I think it is slowly going to drip at this point. So, that's NAS. Let's look at the dollar. I had the dollar going bullish. If you guys remember, I called this to the T. That's what's so sickening about this analysis. Did I not call it to the T? Do you guys not remember yesterday when it was right here at the 3-point? I was like, all right, guys, look, if the dollar comes to this level, holds this level, rejects up, that's for New York, then we can buy it. Did I not say that? Did I not say that this level, right? This level, if it holds this level, okay, then we can buy it. I'm pretty sure I said that to the T. Go look at the recording from yesterday. I was in red hair and everything with the sword out, but still talking to you guys. It did exactly what I said. I said, listen, it's going to come down, and then it's going to come down from New York the way that it rejects this New York level, at around New York time is exactly what we're looking for, and we want to get bullish. And then it started to reject this level. Okay, that was on the 1 hour. Here's the 15. Okay, and on the live session with our students, we caught this live. Didn't I say that, guys? Remember on the live session, I'm like, yo, once it starts to break this zone here, dollar's gonna get bullish. Let's start looking for pairs that correlate with that. Junior, I don't know, bro. Message me on Telegram. Message me on Telegram, bro. Let me see. Right? Okay. I'm just saying. Okay, if you don't believe me, go check yesterday. All right? Go check it. All right? Your boy has the pulse on the market like never before. And I'm telling you, it's just because I look at these pairs every day. I study them every day. It's just an accumulation of weeks, months, and years of knowing the market. Now, you don't even need that much time. But if you become consistent and just study the charts, look at the charts every day, you'll see the same patterns that I see. Trust and believe. It's not that hard. It's not as hard as you really think. It's not as hard as you really think to kind of get a good, accurate prediction of what the market is going to do. Trust and believe. I'm not a fortune teller. All right. I've just seen it enough that it does the same things over and over and over again. The market is very cyclical by nature, guys. I know everyone thinks it just moves erratically and that the markets, just do whatever it wants to do. But it has seasonal tendencies. It has weekly, monthly tendencies. Okay. It does the same type of technical patterns that it's always done for the past 10, 20, 30 years. Nothing has really changed. Let me ask you guys this. Has human behavior changed? Okay. Has human thinking changed? Has human psychology changed? Has the human emotions changed? Think about that. Has it changed over the years? Last year, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years? Has any of that changed? Okay. No, it has not. Right? So why would the markets change? Because the markets are based on and prey on your emotions. Don't they? Don't they operate in fear and greed? Right? The whole thing is based on emotions. So you need to understand that as long as we're human beings and we have emotions, and the only thing that's changed from 2022, from 30 years ago, let's say 2000 or 1990, is technology. Nothing else has really changed, guys, except technology. So understand it's the same with the markets. It's going to do the same thing over and over and over again because human beings are going to do the same things over and over and over. We're pretty predictable. All right. So if we know that, we can now take that into our trading and understand if we can identify certain patterns and see certain things over and over and over again, especially when it's linked to human psychology, then we will be able to have an advantage. Okay? A big advantage. Hold on. I'm just letting y'all know. All right? So, the dollar, I think, is overall still bullish. I think it's still overall bullish. We're going to have to wait and see what happens here. All right? So we're going to delete the bearish. All right? And this was like a bullish. We know it's overall on the channel bullish, right? It's overall bullish. This is what happened at New York, popped up. So what I want to see is it probably come back down to this level and New York get bullish again. Right? I want to see another wave up. Okay, for New York session or London session, either or. I'm not sure when it's going to move. But I want the dollar to get overall bullish. Okay? Now, how is that going to correlate? All right, to a lot of the pairs that I like. Let's go to like AU. AU we did for the sell. Even GU was not even a bad sell either. That was a really crazy nice sell off. Let's see what pairs. Let me see. Let's see GU, GBP, GBP USD. Yeah, GU is sometimes crazy. I really don't like to just predict GBPs. I like to just react off of it. But what I will say is that if GBPs drop below this level, okay, and this is a very key level for GBP USD, all right, and this is a London-based pair and a New York-based pair, so you can trade this in London session or New York session. But if it does break this zone, then I will have GBP dropping pretty significantly to this level down here. Okay, so this is something to look for GBP USD. Again, if the dollar does continue to retrace and start to pop up, right, that's going to also push GU down. Now, GU is one of these pairs that likes to stop hunt. Okay, it's a very, I call it like a stop honey type pair. All right, it has very high retracements. It will take you out. So I would wait to even trade this until London or New York tomorrow, right? But I just want to show you how if this level really gets broken, then, you know, which is the 1.1450 level, if that really gets significantly broken here, then we're going to start to look for sells on GU. Okay, let's look at AU really quick, my baby. Let's look at AU. Let me see. Let's see if I have a clean chart here. So AU, I do like AU for this sell as well too. But if I look at my previous charts, right? So guys, remember this is from yesterday, right? Downward channel, right? I'm still using that same chart from yesterday. We have a really nice W structure here from yesterday. Okay. Let me kind of delete some of this stuff so it's not as crazy, so you guys can see the charts a little bit better. Okay. So, okay, this level here I need to be broken. If you guys remember, I have my price alert down here for AU. Okay, and that all that simply means is once this level is broken, look for bearish momentum. So like what I would do here is message bearish momentum. Bearish momentum. Okay, so if AU drops, I believe another good 30 pips. Again, that can happen in London. That can happen in New York tomorrow. I don't know what's going to happen right now for Asian. It might just consolidate. So it might just play around, you know, kind of go back and forth. Maybe even wedge for a little bit like this. And then drop. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so this is what I'm looking for AU overall, guys. This is what I want to see for AU. All right, and this is my baby. I love AU. Okay, if you see the AU signals in my Telegram or the TTA announcements, you should probably take it. Now, I'm not 100% accurate, but trust and believe that I really don't lose my AU trades. Okay. Now, what else can we look at really quick? We can look at GA. GA is really, really nice as far as bullishness. Not gonna lie. GA is looking actually very nice. So this is a huge level that it's now respecting. Okay, the overall, let's look at the overall bullish. Let me see the weekly. Oh, snaps, bullish. Yeah, wow, wow, wow. Okay, I do like GA overall bullish. So I do like it overall bullish. We should have been getting it at like 8 o'clock or something. Boom, 20, 30 pips, easy, done. Could have scalped it up. But, so me personally, guys, when I trade Asian session, I don't really like to get in really late around 9:30, 10 o'clock. I like to get in like between 7:30, 8:30 ish. That's just me. That's what I like to see. Okay. I like to get in around 7:30, 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. And that's for most of my Asian session trades. So, a lot of these moves end up popping up. Like, look at this GA pop up that I kind of did for Asian. This was roughly around like 8 o'clock, honestly. 8 o'clock, an hour ago, popped up maybe 30 pips, maybe something like that. Nice, boom, and I'd be done. Easy like that. Okay. That's how I like to trade for Asian session. I like to kind of scalp it, get in, get out, and be done. I don't like to stay in it long term. I do not like to hold it long term. If you're going to trade Asian, I think you really have to scalp, right? Because there's not a lot of movement. Sometimes you can get a good move, sometimes you can't. Okay. So, that's just how I like to do it. But I do like GA overall bullish. So this could be even a possibly good London session move. I'm just saying, I think this could be a really maybe London session buy potential setup as long as it's holding structure. So if you're going to trade London today, definitely look at GA. If you're going to trade even New York early, maybe possibly look at GA. So I do think this is on the radar that this could be a good potential buy setup. What other main pairs do I like here? Let's look at AJ. AJ dropped really nice. See, this dropped at like what? 8:30ish, right? So AJ dropped, boom, 8:30. I got 40 pips. Like, I'm done. That's it. Should have been selling my AJ. Okay. But yeah, so I do like AJ as well too. Let's I can delete all this stuff. Let's go to the 4-hour. And okay, so again, this is something to look for as well too. Look on AJ on the 4-hour, and what I would tell you guys, right, is that if it holds this structure, kind of like this double top here, and really starts to break structure on this level, then we have potential sell-off on AJ, and this will be very, very nice. Okay, so it's a little premature, but watch how it handles these levels here. Okay? And if it does, then we potentially have another selling opportunity. Okay? So AJ could be a potential sell-off if, again, we get more bearish momentum here. This could be a potential London setup. This can be a potential Asian setup for tomorrow, because this is on the 4 hours. This is kind of like the overall trend, right? This is like almost like a swing trade, kind of not, but I'm just saying it's setting up, because today's Tuesday, right? So this is like the beginning of the week. So that Tuesday, Wednesday move is usually our good moves. Okay, so we have AJ, AU, GA, Nas, what else? Let me see. What pairs you want me to look at, guys? Let me see. What pairs? Drop some pairs for me if you want me to mark up really quickly for you guys. All right. What are you guys looking at? Silky said A. Let me see. Silky said gold. Erica said EA. Chastity said Voldemort. Okay? The name that shall not be named. Alright? So we're not even going to say that one, Chastity. But we can look at gold. We can look at EA. Glenn said USD CAD. Yeah, okay. Let me see what else. US 30? Okay. Alright, I got a lot of USD CADs. Okay, let's look at USD CADs, guys. Since I got a lot of USD CADs here. Hold on. Let me... I have not traded USD CAD in a long time. Holy snaps. I don't even have it on my... Alright. USD CAD. Yuck. Whoa. Okay, let me delete all this. And let's go to the weekly. Alright. So this is a lot of bullish momentum here on the weekly with USD CAD, right? This is really nice structure here, right? Then it broke this level, popped up, you know, and I'm thinking it's going to continue up overall. Okay, overall. But that's on the weekly. Okay, that's on the weekly. So that's, I guess we don't really care about that because not unless you're trying to buy and hold for like a good month or two, which I'm not doing. So, all right, so it popped up, broke this huge consolidation zone, which I'll kind of highlight from here. This is a huge consolidation zone that it broke, right? Great. So I think it's overall bullish. That took a lot of momentum to break. Okay, it broke it in September. And now it's kind of hit a secondary level, which is like right here, which I think is great. So we have some type of level of support here. The 4 hour. Let's see what happened. What happened for New York session? New York session popped up like crazy today. Of course, the dollar popped up. Popped up a good, boom, 100 pips. Wow, I'm sick. I shouldn't have been selling AU. I should have been buying USD CAD. Jeez. What am I doing? Anyway, I do think it's overall bullish, guys. Okay? Overall bullish. And as long as it holds this zone, we are bullish on USD CAD. We are bullish on USD CAD, all right? So the next significant level that I think you should monitor is when you go to the 1 hour, right? When you go here, when you see these highs here, these need to be broken. So once, and CAD can be very tricky, but what I'm thinking here is it's probably going to even pop down, and then once it starts to like break this level, break this zone here, roughly at around here, starts to break these highs here, then we can buy it up. Okay, and I think it's going to go straight up, boom, to the next level. And the next level will be at pretty much these previous highs here, extend that level there, boom. So this is what I'm thinking with USD CAD, guys. I'm thinking it's going to go down, it's going to retrace and then go up. So from my experience, the best time to trade USD CAD is New York session. Okay, as you see, the biggest move, like look, this is New York from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock, boom, 100 pips, right? The biggest moves are usually here. Look, boom, 8 o'clock to 11 o'clock, boom, another 100 pips here. So like, what's this move here? 7 o'clock to 11 o'clock, boom, drop. So a lot of moves are going to happen during New York. So I would not even look at USD CAD unless you are looking at the New York session. It has been doing some big moves lately, so maybe it is something to look at. Maybe it is something to look at, okay, during New York session. Again, if you like it, I'm not really a USD CAD trader, so that's not my thing. But it does look pretty smooth. Pretty smooth, okay? I do like it.
Another one.
All right, thank you, Khaled. So, Daniel, it'll be the same thing. I would think AUD CAD. He said AUD CAD would probably be bullish as well too. I'm not showing. Actually, no, it wouldn't, because I have AUDs, I think, going down. CADs would be going down. I wouldn't trade AUD CAD. It's probably looking trash. It's probably looking choppy. All right, let's look at gold really quick too, because I know you guys love some gold. Let's see, AUD CAD. Look, I called that. I said, wouldn't it be choppy? Yeah, it's choppy. Without even looking at it, I know it's choppy. All right, look at it, yucky. I just want to trade this, man. It's just, I don't like it. I don't like it, man. I do think it's bearish though, because I think AUDs are so bearish that it's going to push it down. It's overall in the downtrend. I think it should drop. Yeah, it should drop. So my sentiment would be a bearish to sell if I was to get an AUD CAD. Even though, no, I'm definitely not getting into it because I just don't like it. But my sentiment would be sell. Let's go to gold, because a lot of you guys are calling on the gold. Let's see here. Goldilocks. Let's look at Goldilocks. Okay. Let's look at Goldilocks. Weekly. Okay. So, gold is very tricky, guys. Gold is one of those pairs, let me tell you guys right now, okay? Because I got 15 more minutes with you guys before I have to hop off here. And gold is a tricky pair. I've traded gold here and there. I got really good at it at one point. Then I was bad at it again. Then I got really, really, really good at it. Then I went up and down. And one thing I could tell you is that gold will get you in your dang feelings. Okay? Gold will have you smoking a Newport after every trading session. Do you understand? All right. So if you like trading gold, that's perfectly fine. If you like intraday trading gold or scalping gold, have fun, my guy. Or have fun. But what I want you to understand is you can't just dip into gold and think that you're going to do well. All right. You can't just trade gold and think that, I'm trading my AUD CAD and my EJ and my GA. I'll just trade a little gold. Nope. Hold on, I gotta look for my my nope soundboard.
Nope.
It's not gonna work, buddy. Not gonna work. Okay. No. It's not gonna work, buddy.
Nope.
Not gonna work. Okay. So gold is something that you want to actually strategize, study, and trade every day. If you're going to trade it every day. Okay? Listen to me clearly. Gold has different tendencies than every other pair that I've ever traded in my entire life. Gold is completely different. It is a wild beast. Okay? The tendencies of gold are completely different, and they will neutralize any other pair that you're trading. All right? You'll have your whole mapped out plan for all your other pairs, everything going well, and then, you're like, oh yeah, gold should be going down here. Let me sell it. It looks like a pullback, and then gold will just shoot up 100, 200 pips on your ass. Okay? And you're like, yo, what? It won't do just a chill 10, 20, 30 pips. It'll do a chill 200 pip drawdown. Okay? That's gold for you. Okay? Am I lying, y'all? I'm not. For those who trade gold, you understand. Right? So I do have a gold strategy that if you implement it, you definitely will become more consistent and more profitable. But even myself, I don't even trade gold that much because I'll tell you why. It's not that I can't trade it. I'm actually pretty good at trading gold. The thing is that I'm actually better trading other things. So, if I'm, let's say for instance, let's say I'm 80% on gold, but I'm 95% on Nas, why would I trade gold? Why? Okay, when I have something that's like 95% accurate, I'm making money every day, hand over fist, with a lot of volatility, it's easy to predict. Like, why would I even do that? Doesn't make sense to me. Right? So it's not that I can't trade it. I can trade it with a good accuracy, but it still creeps up on me and gets me sometimes. I'm not going to lie. And I know gold traders who actually do really well on gold. So I can't say that it does not work. It does work. But again, anyone who I know who trades gold, you have to stick with it, guys. And this is just because a lot of people said they trade gold, right? And if this is something that you want to trade religiously every week or every month, you have to put in the time with gold. I would consider gold one of the most advanced pairs to trade. It is one of the most advanced pairs to trade. Okay? And if you don't believe me, then if anyone here says they trade gold consistently, they will tell you. Okay? You're going to have a lot of winning days, a lot of great days. You make 100 points, 100 pips. Then you're going to have a lot of bad days. All right? And you're going to have to kind of bounce and, not care about the bad days compared to the good days. The good days are going to have to outweigh the bad ones, right? And also your risk management, the management of your trade has to be on point, right? You cannot really have rookie management on gold. Okay? So that's just a disclaimer for you guys, because I know a lot of y'all are trading gold, right? So if you're a rookie, number one, stay away from it. Don't even do it. Number two, if you're intermediate, I would say make sure that you're studying it, you're back testing it, because it is very different to every other pair. I'm not joking. It's different to everything. All right, so don't even play with yourself and think, oh, I can trade gold. Ryan said I can't do it, but I'm not saying you can't do it. I'm not saying you can't be good at gold. What I'm saying is you need to hone in. You need to make it specialized if you want to be trading gold long term. And for me, I just found other pairs that I can hone in that I like long term. Okay? So I do think you can do it, but I'm going to tell you that you're going to really blow a lot of accounts, or you're going to lose a lot of your equity in gold if you don't take gold as a serious pair in your trading list. Okay? If your watch list isn't gold and you're looking at it every day or every week and backtesting it and studying it, then you should not be trading gold. I repeat, not trading it. Okay? So that's all I'm going to say about that, because I don't want to go too crazy on it. Anyway, let's go analyze it though. Haha. So let's go to the daily. And okay. It is, let's look to, holy snaps a moly. Okay, yeah. I have gold being bearish. Holy crud. Oh my goodness. Huge M on the monthly. All right. Well, I mean, that would make sense. If the dollar is going to get bullish, gold should be overall dropping. So I do have a lot of bearish momentum with gold, guys. I do think gold. Let me see. Did it? I do think gold is overall bearish, guys, to be honest. I do think there's overall bearish sentiment with gold. Hey, Mr. Sun, I don't want you. Stop it. Okay. I do think we're overall bearish with gold. I would love to sell gold. I would look for sells. I would not look for buys on gold. Okay. Just overall, the market structure on gold is super bearish. Okay, let's go to like the 4 hour, the higher time frames. All right. And this is what we're seeing here. Look. Right. On the 4 hour. Okay. So even though it's in a slight retracement stage, okay, there's a lot of key levels here that gold can really hit. Right. So gold is a very tricky pair. Like gold can get mad bullish, pop up here, and then tank. Boom. Right. That's gold for you. Right? You'll be like, oh yeah, Ryan, it should sell right here. Shoots up, I don't know, what, 50 pips on you? Boom, take you out and then drop 100, 200 points on you. Just like that. Okay, so I'm thinking that gold is going to pop up. I don't know where, to one of these levels maybe. I'm thinking here, and then it dropping. That's what I'm thinking. So I would really actually like gold to hit like somewhere into this level and then sell it. Again, this is on the, let's go with the 4 hour. This is on the 4 hour. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for when it comes to gold, guys. Right? If you're gonna trade gold, then the best time I believe to trade it is usually around London or New York. Not really right now, anyway. So if you're gonna trade New York session, look for something, similar to this right here. Okay, maybe that happens. Just saying, it's a very possible outcome. And if we get rejection around this area, then it probably will look good. Okay. Glenn said 83% of traders are long on gold. Yep, they're going to get trashed. 83% of traders lose. You got to remember that too. Yep. I want them to be long on gold. How am I going to sell it, bro? How are we all going to make a whole lot of money? We need someone to lose. Someone's got to lose, bro. Okay? It's winners and losers in this game. I need someone to buy it. Because I'm not buying it. I need someone to buy it. I'm just saying. Someone's got to do it. What's up, Kenny? Kenny said 2 a.m. Kenny, what's up, my guy? He's another great gold trader. Shout out to my guy, Kenny. 2 to 4 a.m., bro. For sure. For sure. Great time to trade gold. Great time to trade it. Great time to trade it, So you definitely have to monitor it, study it, because there are Fibonacci or retracement levels that gold likes to hit overall, right? So like if I drew my fib, guys, like, and I'm not gonna even give the sauce, but like, boom, look, you draw this right here, boom, you see where my level's at, boom, clean, okay, all right. I'm not, chill, I gotta delete that. I can't be giving you all that free sauce like that, okay? But I'm just saying, like, there's a reason why this area can really take people out and then drop. Okay? You know what I'm saying, Kenny? Wink, wink. You know what I'm saying, Kenny? You see it? I know you see it, bro. Daniel saying, in what time zone? Eastern Standard Time Zone, Daniel. Eastern Standard Time Zone. East. I'm talking about East. Eastern. Everything Eastern, guys. Everything Eastern. Okay? But yes, beautiful people. So that's really it. I just wanted to kick it with you guys, show you some possible setups. So we have the gold possible setup, AU, right? Again, overall downtrending. Wait for more momentum. That's possible. AJ also on the higher time frame on H4. This is possible if only if it starts to really break structure here and starts to break the levels that we want. Okay, we only have that too, and then GA possibly bullish. Okay, possibly. Again, I'm not banking on GA, but I'm just saying if London, this could be a possible goodbye. I'm overall bullish on GA overall. Okay, I'm overall bullish on it. Okay, so even if it drops down a little bit, I'm thinking it might even pull back down. That's perfectly fine, and then kind of go up. I'm thinking like this with GA. That's kind of with GA. With the dollar, I'm still overall bullish on it. Okay, as long as it holds this level down here on the 4 hour. Okay, as long as it holds that level, I'm perfectly fine on it. Nas, I'm still pretty bearish on it, guys. Not gonna lie, but it's like a very slow upward bullish wedge, right? Kind of just like slowly trying to get bullish, and I think eventually it's gonna break this and just like tank. I just think eventually it's just gonna break it. Maybe for FOMC. It is FOMC this week, so I'm not sure. So, but we're going to trade NAS tomorrow as well too, probably. At least if I see a good NAS setup for my TTA Elite, then I will be throwing the signal for you guys. in the Elite Signals chat. Make sure you guys are in the Elite Signals chat. So if you want some of my signals every week, guys, that is part of TTA Elite as well. In the Telegram chat where you get my signals in real time. So trades that I see that I can send you guys, I will. So that's also part of that for anyone just wondering. What else? And then did we do UJ? Yeah, we did UJ. Look, UJ, I think. I don't really like UJ, but we did kind of. It is doing what I wanted it to do. Then we have gold, right? I do like the overall sell on gold if it pops up a good 40-50 pips from here into this level, or into like these two levels here. I think we'll have a really good selling opportunity for gold. So that's really it, guys. It is 9:30. I gotta go. Appreciate you guys rocking with me. All right. Tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. we have class again for my TTA Elite. All right. Also tomorrow I will hop on YouTube again. Okay. I think it's gonna be 8:30 again. So I want to do maybe even an Asian live session. We'll see. We'll see if we can. Well, wait, tomorrow we have FOMC at 2 p.m. Oh, snaps. So, okay, guys. So I will be doing, for everyone TTA Elite, okay, I will be doing a 2 p.m. live class, okay? So if you want to watch FOMC together and see what happens and kind of get, a whole analysis and how to trade it, how to look at it, just, so we can look at it together, I will be doing that at 2 p.m. So we do have a class at 9 a.m. And then I will be doing a class at 2 p.m. as well too. So it's a double class tomorrow, guys. Okay? It's a double class tomorrow. So Tyron's to US 30. It's pretty much the same thing, man. I'm not really gonna do US 30. But I don't really care so much for US 30, but it's pretty much the same thing. Let me see. It's pretty much the same thing. I'm not really US 30 trader. US 30's too wild for me. I don't like it. It's like a GJ. But a little bit better. It's a little bit better than GJ, I'm not gonna lie. It's a little bit better than GJ. Let's go to the daily. 1 hour. Yeah, this is I don't know, man. It's overall bullish, but it's coming to a very strong level here on the higher time frame. So it's hard for me to tell, honestly. It's hard for me to tell. It's really in a ranging environment. I don't know. It's really rangy. So in this case, I just don't have a bias on US 30. Me being honest with you, I mean, could it be bullish? Yeah. Could it be bearish? Yeah. Could be right to do a huge bearish correction. So I can't even really call it, to be honest. Yeah. I mean, I do like the structure. It's overall bullish, but it's about to hit a higher time frame resistance level, and I think it might reject and drop hard. This is another pretty strong level right here. So I don't know. All right. But yeah, guys, I'm done. Appreciate you guys. So again, TTA Elite, we're going to do 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. Then we're doing 2 p.m. or I'll probably make it 15 minutes before news. So roughly around like 1:45, I have to add that to the schedule because I forgot it was FOMC, but I want to do that with you guys. And if anyone's interested in joining TTA Elite or being a part of us and trading live with us and all that good stuff, then the link is in the description, or you can email us at the Trade Authority. Hold on, you can email us at the Trade Authority at gmail.com. Okay, with any questions, concerns. We do see a lot of the emails, guys, so I have to get back to a lot of emails. So I'm going to be prioritizing doing that in the next like 24, 48 hours. A lot of you guys are emailing us about different things. So don't think that your email is going to go unnoticed. It's just we have a whole bunch of them, and it's only myself and Max trying to go through them, sift and sort them. So, but we are, you guys should be starting to get responses in the next 24, 48 hours for whatever email that you sent us, whether it was today, yesterday, last week, maybe 2 weeks ago. We're responding to everything. We're trying to, make sure that we get back to all you guys with a lot of you guys questions about a plethora of different things. So thank you guys for being patient about that. All right. And yeah, so that's really it, guys. Appreciate you. I'll see you, my TTA Elite, in the morning. Tomorrow night, I will still do another YouTube free class. We will, I don't know, maybe I'll teach something, I think, because it's going to be FOMC. So what I'll do is I'll probably go over FOMC and then I'll teach something for you guys. That's what I'll do. So we'll go over FOMC together, what happened, what you did right, what you did wrong, right? And then what we'll do is maybe teach something tomorrow night for you guys. All right? Teach a concept for you guys. See if that helps. Daniel, UK time, so it's 9 a.m. Eastern. So UK time, I think you guys are like 8 hours ahead of me. So I think that would be like 5 p.m. your time. I think. So yes, my classes start at 9 p.m. Eastern. 9 a.m. Eastern. I'm messing it up, guys. 9 a.m. 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Eric fam, what's up? Thank you, man. Appreciate the love. All right, so tomorrow, what we'll do, guys, if you guys want to hang around for tomorrow night around the same time, I'm going to go over FOMC, and then I'm going to pick a topic. I'm going to teach it for you guys live, so you guys can get some free value and learn some stuff. Okay, and then hopefully I see you guys on the inside of TTA Elite. See you guys. Peace out. Love you all.